Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A good friend of mine, she's a jeweler, recently told me something that really surprised me. She said she couldn't find a reliable supplier for her brass findings, especially stone setting heads. So what does she do? She makes them all by hand. Now, if you are a jewelry artisan, you already know that takes a lot of time. Time shaping, time adjusting, time matching sizes, and time equals money. And I started thinking, she's probably not the only one. I know many jewelry artisans are in the exact same situation. Either the suppliers don't carry the size you need, the quality isn't consistent, or you just want more control over your work. So today, I'm going to solve that problem. I'm going to design multiple sizes of stone setting heads in Rhino, properly measured, clean, production ready, so they can be 3D printed and cast in brass, silver, or gold. Once you have the master files, you can print them anytime, cast them in batches, save hours of bench time, and standardize your work. And here's the best part. If you like the STL file for free, just put a comment below and I'll share them with you. Let's get started. Okay, here's Rhino. And first we're gonna get the stone. We're gonna get a 1 millimeter stone, round cut. And we're gonna get the wire to make the basket. Okay, that's what we need to make the basket. Then we're gonna uh, make it solid. This one we're gonna have 0.15 millimeter, and this one be the same size, and the prong be 0.2. Okay, that's the prong. We're gonna make 3 more prong. Okay. Okay, that's all the prong we need. And then we're gonna make them join together. This one and the 4 prong. Okay, that's all in one piece now. And then we're gonna add the stone to join the group. We're gonna group them, and that's the 1 millimeter basket and stone group. We're gonna put it aside here, and then we're gonna continue work on this one. This one is a 1 millimeter. Now we're gonna have scale it to 1.2 millimeter, and the base point would be here, and make it to here. Okay, that's a 1.2 millimeter, and gonna put it aside. 1.2. Okay, now we're gonna continue with make this one into a 1.5. And gonna wait. scale it 3D, and gonna be here and here and here. Okay, that's a 1.5 millimeter. We're gonna put it aside here, and now this one we're gonna make it into a 2 millimeter, and we're gonna scale it also into 3D, and the center would be here to here and bring it back to here. Okay, that's a 2 millimeter. We're gonna put it away. That's a 2 millimeter. Now next we're gonna make this one into a 5 millimeter. Scale 3D, and here get it to here, and that's a 5 millimeter. Okay, there you go. We have 5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, 1.2, and 1. Okay, now we're gonna turn off the stone, and that's all the basket we have. Okay, that's all you need to create your own stone settings in under 10 minutes and use them unlimitedly. Let me know what you think in the comments below. DM me with your email for the free STL files. Please like and subscribe for more of my future videos. Thank you for watching.